Bro, going down. I'm going down also.
Wait, you're coming down.
Okay, I'm going down.
Yeah, I can't go down there.
I'm going down. Yeah, I need. It's very easy for me going down. You stay there. Tell you, because I fall, I going down also. Much better going down. Much better going down. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. I'm the rock man. Better. Maybe I'm catching too much fish. What's unlearn I'm doing. I promise you. Go. Come. Shit, my bite is done.
What?
Yes, I catch the fish, but they shit. One more.
Here, hold on. Pass me your rod. I'll hold the rod. You be careful, go down.
Have fish, bro. Do you have a fish?
You alright? You want to take the flashlight, hand me your phone?
He's just not old man guy, bro. He's a young. Much better, I can sense it your bite. You bring this one. I give you the other bite. Sample much better.
Can I throw that one? Can I give that one a try?
No, you can stay all that. If you have a fish,
Yeah,
you bring that one. Other, I have a hope this one.
it's too fucking far. By the time I get there, you
But
guys
no,
gonna be
no
done.
problem. In the you enjoy it in the campground. Gisgapi Biak, the big sea. Too much fish here. Gisgapi Biak, you know the hotel.
Are you gonna help me set it up?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay, I give you.
A lot of weeds.
Huh?
A lot of weeds.
Yeah, I'll give you this one, the other one. You like this one, the other one. That's better. You can do it with that. That's the problem, I don't have light. You have a light? Okay, give me. I will change it this one because this one, number one, this one. That one. There. I will change it because I gave this one Antonio. Just, this one for because this one is a 2-pounder. It's better if you can use it this one. This one, the killer fishing. This one.
Okay, I don't know if this is.
This one, any kind of fish.
Yeah, no, I know, but this one here, I don't think it's not going to lock properly.
This is the sea, right? The sea.
Yeah, but look, I don't think it doesn't lock.
Because I know here I have a fish.
It might be okay.
Give me, I can do it. Give me. Because you know this one very nice. What too like that.
Okay. It doesn't lock.
This one.
Yeah, no, this one.
No, I can
Hold
change
this
it.
one. Yeah, hold
No.
this one.
No, I will change that. I will change it. I have a new big 4 strong. That one I give to Anthony. Yan. I will change it to them because not strong. The other this one not strong. Big.
Where'd you buy this one?
In
Entire?
yeah. Give me a plastic. Yeah. That's it. Because you know last year I'm catching not more than 500 sea bass, mackerel, and I give in the neighbor in the mountain, and my sister also have a 2 refrigerator or pole, and I bring to Madam Rachel. He like it too much, Madam, eating a sea bass. That one, put that one in here. Yes, for sure. Not this one.
Yeah.
This one for because this one I will strong that one. Lock it. That's it. And the fish you can follow. 3 hook and 1 hook that one. I can throw it. I will try. Oh, very nice weight. I got two. I will buy again.
How fast do you reel it? This?
Yeah, you need no need put the other. Because the weight is very nice.
Yeah.
Only like that. Oh.
Should I make it tighter? The reel?
Yeah. This rod is good for mackerel. You know mackerel, season mackerel maybe next month. Yeah. And you can throw it again. And can throw it again. Shit.
What'd you do?
The double.
Where?
Like that, and close it, and yeah. Until that one, I will.
Oh.
My own fishing rod.
Wait until niya kayo.
Okay.
What the fuck happened?
Again, hold on. Here, hold on. Yeah.
Wait. Give me that. Okay. Okay, that's it, like that. Just the
Hook me up with everything. Make sure it's nice. That way I know how to do it and I can go fishing by myself.
wait, I will.
Wait.
This one very popular that one. I buy you another like that and I keep fucking
You buy another like that and give to me?
yeah.
Oh my god.
Paul?
Let me see it. It feels nice. Maybe if we could plastic on here too.
Give me to me.
Huh?
Give me the light. I give you the other that one.
You are my boss, my friend.
This is bro. 14 bucks bro.
Oh,
Stop? That's no problem. Maybe this one not deep. This spot Thomas Stone not deep.
So don't fish here.
You got it? Because maybe the spot is not good. Maybe the the other that the Habasi Basa is Tato.
You can always go over under the bridge.
Yeah. Maybe that one not good.
Over there.
You know that one? This one good big piece and a small piece. That one very nice. That one. This one 30 bucks.
Oh my god.
But you can enjoy it. Use it. This one. I buy you one another and tomorrow I give you. You have a rest day, 3 days.
And I can go fishing.
Yeah, and I'm going to Mongton to going your house, no problem.
No?
Fishing.
No? No. Fuck. Nice. Cool.
This is for squid.
I can go fishing. Go to the ocean. Say, oh my god.
But I'm scared if you can use it, no problem. If broken, I will buy again.
Okay.
Because your wife is my wife also.
No? She is my wife.
But can the fish see it? Sure does.
I cannot see it. Where's the put the Paul? Where's your bait?
Huh?
Your bait.
Where did you put it?
You remove
Yeah, you took it off.
huh?
You took it off.
Come on to me.
Oh.
Yeah. Inyo.
Okay.
I cannot show it where's to put the full bite.
Nothing, baby.
Give me the light. Because you know that one very hard how you. Because
that
this
all
one
done?
they have 6 hook.
You're giving me the 6 hook?
Yeah.
Why?
It's good for any kind of fish. Give it right. Like that. Not good the area there. You lose it, bro?
Like right here.
Look at, bro. Maybe 7. You know this one good for mackerel or sea bass. That one. But this one. You know in the yarmouth, if you set this one, you catching too much fish like that. You catch I catching one. You can't use it this one. You catch too much because this
I
kind
don't
of
think it's smart we use that here.
because before I cannot buy that one.
Won't it just get caught? Won't it just get caught? But
Yeah,
and then we'll lose it?
yeah. You lose it, no problem.
Okay.
But be careful. Expensive, bro. $6,
Done?
$11, 70 big expensive, bro. No, no. But don't worry, you can enjoy it. I will enjoy your wife also. That okay. That's better only here, huh? Do it because this one too much heavy. I think you catching tonight. Oh, you know how to throw it?
Yeah.
You can throw it there. Give me the light. Put this one.
Yeah,
Throw it
you
this
show
one.
me.
And when you finish the throw, you can lock the one.
Oh
Okay?
yeah, you show me. Alright, we ready?
Here, come here because pole is here. So you can enjoy it.
I know that.
Okay. Later. This one, throw that one. You put that one light in this one the hook and right. I can show you this one, huh? Because this one, be ready to release. Put like that.
Okay.
Put in your hand and open it. This one ready to release. Okay. And throw it. This one. And you can lock
Did
it
it
like
go
that.
far?
Yeah. You can lock it light. And you can like that.
Okay. Alright.
And the problem is the spot. Broken, bro? problem this place is not deep. Not same the Richie Bukto, too much deep. Release, hold, release like that, release. Release. You cannot get it. Yes. Stuck.
Break it?
The problem this one spot not deep because this hook is good for deep because too much hook.
Yeah.
Because here too much stone in the wood.
Yeah.
Oh. Have something. Yeah. Have something, maybe wood or garbage. Garbage bag.
Make a loop?
No, I got it all before. But this spot is no good. Don't worry, next day in the Tapagan, the campground, you can sew it this until 4 o'clock. Too much people fishing, Canadian, Indian in the campground. You can enjoy the place. Yeah, because I know last year I went there, but I don't have a fishing rod. But I can sew it. There's too much fish. And the campground, you know the spot, the Gispa Pibiak,
Yeah.
and maybe 5 minutes the campground, the down. Have something, maybe garbage bag or wood. Yeah, but I can.
Dead body?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Holy shit. The body. Fuck
Pulling
you.
a severed arm.
Fuck you. Jesus. You cannot enjoy it this place to fishing because of too much stone, wood.
Yeah.
Not same in the Richie Bukto, Sidjak, and the Sipagan have a spot fishing.
So you're pulling it in?
Yeah, slowly. Have the hook is maybe wood, but not too much bigger wood. No fish yet. My fish are small but no good spot.
You're pulling in? The reel broken?
No, no, no. Much better. You this rod do not pull through much. Only like that, and do again. Because if you pull too much, this one is break down. But I got it. I know I have a garbage or wood.
Or severed arm?
But I show you, if you use this hook and same before Yarmouth and deep Sipagan and Sibokto, Sibjak, this one you can enjoy it fishing. You catching too much, but you need a fishing spot too much deep. Because here not too much deep this one. Shit. You can hook again.
Back again?
Yes. Oh, I got Jesus Christ. Don't lose my 17 bucks, man. 31. This one good for Sipagan. I guess Gapibjak. I got it.
So did it get tangled?
Wait. Give me the light. And then I got it. No problem. No problem.
Got it?
I got it now. Yeah. Because the hook is very nice, that one. See? You cannot you use like that. You can use like that. Slowly. And release. Slowly. Tight. And release. Like that. And he can break out. The spot is no good.
Okay,
Not deep.
let's put it away.
Yeah, don't worry. Have a fishing area in the Gisgapibjak. This place is not good for fishing. Okay. That's it. Look at this. Yes. Too much problem here. Not deep. You know.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
catching everything.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
You put this one only like this. I show you can enjoy fishing that one. Okay,
That's it.
wait a minute. Good fishing here. No, the spot is new. It seems like it's got big jack. It's too much deep.
It's too
You're
shallow.
catching too much.
My friend, they get caught in a rock and a break.
It broke?
Get caught in a fucking rock and a break.
Where?
It's broken?
Where did the line go, my friend?
Oh my god, expensive, bro.
Yeah, I was touching you when I did that.
You bring the weight is $7 and the hook for good for Makila and Sibas, 14 bucks. Don't worry, only one kiss in the lips of your wife. No,
I'll kiss you on my lips.
no, tomorrow we'll buy this one, that one. No problem about it. This area is not good to.
You don't say so, huh?
Don't worry. Only $17 and only one kiss in your wife.
Nope, I'll kiss you myself,
that's it.
motherfucker.
Don't worry, my
He just
friend.
needs just
Don't worry, my friend. I'm not hungry.
he just needs 3 minutes with your wife. That's it. He's
Yeah,
good.
that's it.
Fuck!
I answer you, Antonio, in the going the next day.
I don't like
Gisgapibiak.
fishing no more. Fuck fishing.
No, Gisgapibiak, you can enjoy it.
No, fuck past Pabiak.
You can enjoy it. I told you. Don't
Nothing-
worry, tomorrow I will buy this one in Canadian Tire.
Nothing is worth this much struggle.
If you are catching a fish, you can enjoy it. Oh, going back to. I told you. Yeah, if you before, before I don't like fishing,
Yeah.
but my brother-in-law Canadian, going fishing, you can enjoy it. Okay, I can catching the big fish. And then, going to fishing tomorrow? Okay, come. This one is very easy to remove that one. Only like this.
I cannot see my friend.
I can show you tomorrow. I can change that one. Only like this. Remove and remove the hook. So like this. And now here. Finish. Sit up.
Capture the light.
Give me the light. Because tomorrow I will buy it for Antonio a bite. Don't worry, bro. I will buy, bro. I buy him a full. The bite for.
Can I just show you? Tomorrow. I gotta find my little. I gotta find my little box.
One? Pull down.
Can't find
This
the,
is your rod, bro.
can't find the hole.
Yeah.
Now how do I?
Tie it.
Only that. I will buy the same golden bite like that for you. Because I love him too much, your wife.
No, you don't. Fuck off.
Alright,
Okay, let's go.
let's go. Let's
Now,
let's go trip uphill.
how to go up or fall?
We're gonna cause a avalanche.
Maybe. Here. Yeah, you go first. I can.
No, I got it. I'm okay.
Oh, he's very easy. I'm military, bro. You know, I'm military, ex-military,
You
bro.
love Raleigh.
What?
You love Raleigh.